Hi, this is Yash, CEO and co-founder here at AccioJob. Welcome to Decode Clips. Hope you like the video.
Why did you decide to bring that part in-house?
So I can take this, right? So definitely there are a lot of platforms where you can go and solve a lot of questions, right?
Right.
Even all the material that you require to become a full stack developer, that is kind of available for free on the internet,
Correct.
right? But for the students, the biggest part is guidance and clarity on what they need to do, right? So we decided to basically create a single place on our platform where
Yes.
we'll provide each and everything a student needs to study and become a full stack developer at one place, right? So as Harsh mentioned that the student can join classes, right? So he can join classes, watch recordings, all assignment, all of that in our portal. And we have been including more and more features, right? So having our own platform also provides us more control on what exactly features that we want the user to have, right? And exactly what thing he should be seeing at what point of time, right? So there's a typical journey in the learning or when someone is actually becoming a full stack developer, right?
Correct.
So we can actually provide identify and provide the exact items he should be focusing on at any given point of time.
And one more thing I'd like to add on to this is, so when we are planning for new features
Right.
that we will be launching or what our user must be using, so for that we need some data in terms of, like, there are two ways, qualitative or quantitative. So having quantitative measures over qualitative is definitely in nowadays plus point. So having the count of submissions the user has submitting on our platform, and then how many recordings or how many live sessions they are attending, so those data are much more critical. And integrating with other platforms and fetching data from there in is much more
Much more
difficult,
difficult,
and
yeah.
much more difficult to analyze. So that is part which enabled us to make more features on our platform.
Wow.
प्लस एक ये भी एंगल है ना कि since we have got the setup ready, now we can actually innovate and build things that don't really exist anywhere.
Right.
For example, our contest platform, some things we are planning in the new courses that we are launching are things which don't really exist in the world. On the web dev side as well, there is definite maturity in the market on the data structure side, but I think on the web dev side, definitely we are doing things which don't really exist right now.
Like recently, for the web dev side only, we have built two products. One is web dev IDE, which is on our platform. Let's say earlier what we were facing problem is the students were not solving much more web dev questions because there was lag in attending questions.
Wow.
So there was, like, first they have to pull the code from GitHub repo and then do the stuff, and then they have to submit. So for some small questions, like they have to just deal with HTML, CSS. Now they can just go over the platform, the code will be fetched automatically, and they can make small changes over there and submit it there only. And second product we have just launched is VS Code extension, where for bigger questions, like either it can be on Java or React, where multiple files are needed. So we needed a IDE itself. So for that part, we have we have launched VS Code extension, where user can view the question,
Right.
fetch the code, and then submit, make the changes, and then submit the code over there only.
So that must have made the life of students much more simpler.
Yeah, definitely. Just to put a quantitative angle to this, we saw the submissions and web dev getting increased by 5 times at the same day we deployed this.
That's incredible.
Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Our entire episode is live on our YouTube channel. Go check that out as well. And also do comment your suggestions, feedback, and what upcoming guests would you want us to host.